Hey there, thank you so much for joining me here. I'm Monica. I make food and lifestyle videos and have a passion for simple and slow living. If you like my content, please come along by subscribing to the channel. Today, I'm going to make chicken meatballs in 3 different ways. Let's start. First, I'm going to be making a meatball mixture, and the same goes in for all the 3 recipes. Let's do the seasoning first with some salt and some pepper powder, and then we are going to add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce goes in, and then we are going to add some chili flakes and some mixed herb seasoning. Throw in half cup of breadcrumbs, and then we are going to add in some grated cheese. You can add any type of cheese as per your liking. Cheddar cheese goes well, or simple cheese would be great. And add in some parsley or coriander leaves. I actually forgot to add egg in here. You should add 1 egg to 500 grams of chicken and gently mix. This meatball recipe is very quick and easy to make and goes great with burgers, pastas, serves as a great appetizer. And today we are gonna make yummy starters with these meatballs. Roll them into balls and fry them. You can also bake them, and that makes a healthy choice. Both ways they are delicious and amazing. Done frying them, now let's make some delicious starters with them. The first recipe which we are going to make with these delicious meatballs is meatballs in Marina sauce, which is nothing but a pizza sauce. Just add some Marina or pizza sauce to the pan and toss the meatballs in. Add some cheese on top of it and let it melt. That's it, it's done. If you've got your pizza sauce in hand, then this can be made under minutes, and it's so delicious and crowd pleasing. Garnish with some mixed herbs, and it's done. The second recipe for today is honey garlic meatballs. You would need butter, garlic, soy sauce and honey for this sauce. Just these ingredients, mix them in the pan and toss in the meatballs. And that's it, you're good to go. The flavor of the garlic and the sweetness of the honey makes this dish crowd pleasing. Plate it and finally garnish it with some white sesame seeds. The third and the final recipe for today is going to be a crunchy one. Crunchy mozzarella cheese stuffed meatballs. You can find all these recipes at my Instagram page, so do drop by sometime. The crunchiness comes from this today. I'm going to use some chips to make the balls crunchy. This meatball is so special for me because the ooey gooey cheese inside is a treat for any cheese lover. That's it for this week. 3 very simple meatball starters which are so delicious and easy to make. Comment below your favorite one, and also all these recipes are available at my Instagram page, so drop by sometime. Have a wonderful week. Thank you as always for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.